So the basic idea was like modifying a game to become it server, network, protocol, administration, triggering tool. And the nice thing was that everybody liked to sit down on the kind of futuristic Barbarella chairs and relax and starting to play. And first, it was just a look.
First it's to explore, because normally when you are in a game, you know everything by there's the death and there's this display, and you got onto stress. And here you sit down and you have your gamepad in your hand, and it feels and seems like to be a game, but there is no gaming target. So you must sit down, relax, and look what the buttons are doing and figure it out by your own.
We have in the back of the two chairs of the living room also a kind of pedestal with a sculpture on it. Everybody thinks first, which is illuminated from.
But it's not a sculpture, it's an object tile.
And the object tile is a 3D print of the data environment.
And the magazine and the DVD and this application downstairs is one part, and the other parts we mainly do these modular lectures where we integrate everything, the visual, the audio, the theoretical thing, into one show.